Welcome to DVC Rental Store. Today, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide to renting DVC points. As a reminder, you do not need to be a DVC member to rent points with DVC Rental Store. In fact, this video is part of a series specifically for guests looking to book a one-time stay at a Disney Deluxe Resort while saving up to 65% compared to booking directly with Disney. If you haven't seen the first video in this series, you can find a link to the playlist at the top of this video. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process of renting DVC points with us, from browsing resort options to finalizing your booking. Whether you're a Disney first-timer or a seasoned pro, our streamlined process is there to ensure that you can secure the perfect Disney stay in a few simple steps. Before getting started, I want to make a quick note about availability. When our team checks for availability, we're checking directly through the Disney Vacation Club portal to see if your selected room type and room view and resort are available on the travel dates you selected. If we check for availability and see that all of those rooms are already booked, that's when we'll reach back out to you and work with you to find alternatives for your vacation. Once we've confirmed that there is availability, that doesn't mean that your reservation is secured or guaranteed. That means that our team can now start the process of linking you with a trusted DVC member who can book that reservation and then in turn transfer it over to your name. Don't worry if that sounds confusing. Our team does a great job taking you step by step via email during the entire booking process, so you know where your reservation stands. Now, let's get on to the step-by-step guide. The first step begins on the DVC Rental Store website. Our DVC Points quote page allows you to browse all available Disney Vacation Club resorts, including favorites like Disney's Polynesian Villas, Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, and Animal Kingdom Lodge. Hover over Guests in our main menu and select Get a Quote to get started. At the bottom of the page, enter your travel dates and email address and then click Search. Here, you can learn more about DVC accommodations and room options, select your desired resort and room type, and view pricing options for your travel dates. As you scroll down, use the interactive filters to narrow your search until you find the perfect accommodations for your vacation. Before we select an option, it's important to note that browsing pricing does not guarantee availability. DVC resorts are incredibly popular and availability changes frequently. By submitting a free quote request, our team will check availability in real time and let you know if your chosen dates are available. If you want the absolute best chance of securing your requested accommodations, we always suggest booking 7 to 11 months in advance of your travel dates. Now, as you browse our availability page, these are the real prices of the stays. Our intuitive pricing structure means you don't have to worry about your stay changing in price between the time of your quote and the time of your travel dates. What you see is what you'll pay. As you browse, you'll notice two pricing options. The standard booking rate in yellow includes our stress-free cancellation policy, giving you added peace of mind. The cashback protection option in blue provides even more flexibility with the opportunity to receive a cash refund for an additional fee at the time of booking. Now, once you've found the perfect resort and room type, it's time to submit your quote request. Click Request Now on your chosen listing, review the details, and then hit Next. Now, simply complete the reservation form, providing your contact details. As you can see on the screen, once you fill out your contact details, you'll have to fill out a couple of questions regarding your guest list and other details about your stay. Once you've filled out these details and completed the steps, click Submit, and you'll receive a confirmation email once your quote has been submitted. And that's all you have to do to get started. Our team will review availability once we receive your request, and we'll reach out to you directly with confirmation or work with you via email to find a close alternative depending on availability. Once we confirm availability with you, you'll need to submit a $100 deposit to proceed with your reservation. This deposit confirms your interest and helps us begin the process of finding a DVC member to secure your booking. Don't worry, this deposit is fully refundable if we're unable to secure the reservation for you. During this process, you'll also create a DVC Rental Store Guest Center account. This will be the central hub for managing your reservation, making payments, and accessing details about your stay. So you may be wondering how long it takes to secure your reservation. The time it takes to secure a reservation can vary. Some reservations are claimed and secured by renting members within a matter of hours, while others may take a bit more time. This is because we rely on real Disney Vacation Club members to claim and book the reservation on your behalf. Rest assured, our team is actively working behind the scenes to connect your request with a qualified member who can secure your requested accommodations. To make it easier for you, we keep you updated throughout this process, and you'll receive an email as soon as your reservation is confirmed. Now that we've secured your reservation with a DVC member, you'll receive an email from us with the following steps for you to complete. First, sign your rental agreement. This digital agreement outlines the terms of your reservation, including the cancellation policy that you've selected. Next, you'll submit your initial payment. You'll now be prompted to pay 25% of your total reservation cost minus the $100 deposit. And finally, you will receive your reservation number. Once complete, we'll provide your Disney reservation number, which you can link to your My Disney Experience app. From there, it'll appear in your app just like a resort reservation booked directly with Disney. For your payments, we make it easy with multiple options. We accept ACH bank transfer, debit cards, credit cards, DVC Rental Store credit, or financing through BreadPay. The remaining 75% of your balance is due no later than 75 days prior to your date of arrival. You can pay this in a one-time payment or spread it across several installments. That choice is completely up to you. Congratulations! Once your reservation is confirmed, all that's left to do is pack your bags and get ready for the magic. Once you link your reservation in the My Disney Experience app, you can use the app to access details of your stay, make dining reservations, manage park tickets, and more. You can always use our Guest Center account to access any support you need before or during your trip. Now, a final note regarding our process. If your requested DVC resort or room type is unavailable and there aren't any alternatives that fit your travel needs, don't worry, we still have you covered. Our team can help you book directly with Disney with a 5% discount off of Disney's prices, including deluxe, moderate, or value resorts. By booking through DVC Rental Store, you can enjoy the flexibility of Disney's booking system and exclusive on-property perks while getting tailored service and a 5% discount on top. Are you ready to start planning your next magical getaway? Following the steps in this video, you can request your free quote today. Subscribe to our channel to get notified as we update this video playlist with more step-by-step guides that make the DVC rental process simple.